So, welcome to our channel. No? Our topic for today is yung tinatawag nating partnership operation. Okay? When we say partnership operation, nandito na yung accounting mo for profit or loss allocation na kung saan dinidistribute mo na yung profit or loss sa mga partners. Then, nandito rin yung periodic adjustment of capital after operation na kung saan i-effect mo yung profit or loss sa mismong partner's capital. Okay, so before we start, no, recap muna tayo, no? Recap muna tayo ng tinatawag nating partnership operation. Ang general rule mo, no, sa paghahati ng profit or loss is dapat yung tinatawag na agreement. Okay, ang general rule mo is yung agreement between capitals. In the absence of agreement, saka mo lang gagamitin yung tinatawag na capital interest. Okay, capital interest or yung capital balances. Okay, next is yung mga nakakaapekto dun sa mismong agreement, no? Okay, pwede kasi mag-agree ang mga partners sa apat na bagay. Okay, number 1, yung tinatawag na salaries. Number 2, yung tinatawag na interest. Number 3, bonus. And number 4, yung mismong balance. Okay, no? Balance on profit or loss. Okay? Pag sinabi natin salaries, no, ito yung mga sahod, no? Compensation ng mga industrial partner. Okay, pwede rin siyang sweldo ng mga capitalist, no, lalo na kapag industrial capitalist siya. Pero ang major rule mo kapag salaries, kapag purely industrial siya, kailangan bayaran mo muna una yung salaries bago mo hatiin yung natitirang profit. Okay? In case naman of loss, hindi magi-incur ng loss si industrial partner unless na lang industrial capitalist siya, na kung saan sumasahod siya at meron din siyang capital. Okay? Pag ganon, no, industrial capitalist siya, meron pa rin siyang share of loss. Okay? Kasi may investment pa rin naman siya, meron pa rin naman siyang contribution sa partnership. Ang general rule mo kapag sa salaries, no, kailangan ibigay mo to in kahit na profit or loss. Okay? Kailangan ibigay mo yan kahit na profit or loss yung partnership. Okay? Next is yung interest, no? Yung interest naman, ito naman yung mga compensation, additional compensation para sa paggamit ng partner's capital. Okay? Ang general rule mo rito, kailangan mo rin to ibigay in case of profit or loss. Okay, no? Kahit pa mapa-profit or loss, kailangan ibigay mo siya. Next naman is yung bonus, no? Bonus, ito naman yung compensation for good performances, no? Na kung saan, in case of loss, okay, in case of loss, hindi mo siya pwedeng ibigay. Okay? Kailangan mo lang siya ibigay kapag merong profit at may balance dun sa net income. Okay? Pwede mo lang siya ibigay kapag may profit at kapag may balance dun sa net income. And lastly, yung balance on profit or loss, yung balance after mabayaran mo tong tatlo, is pwede nilang paghatian, no? Depende dun sa kanilang allocation. Okay? So, punta tayo ngayon dun sa problem, no? Okay? The partnership agreement of Aban, Belen, and Canceran stipulates the following. Partners Aban and Canceran shall receive annual salaries of 12,000 and 8,000 respectively, a bonus of 10% of profit after salaries, but before deduction of bonus shall be given to partner Aban, the managing partner. Each partner shall receive 10% on average capital investment. Any remaining profit or loss shall be shared as follows: 40% to Aban and 30% to each Belen and Canceran. The average capital investment of partner during the year are as follows: Aban 100,000, Belen 60,000, Canceran 120,000. Case 1, the partnership earns profit of 100,000. Requirement: compute for the respective share of the partners on the partnership profit. So, Computin daw natin yung share ng kada partner dun sa 100,000, no, for case 1. Okay? So kung mapapansin mo, walang purely industrial sa kanila. Kasi pare-parehas silang may investment. Pero may sumasahod. Okay? Si Aban and Canceran. Okay? So ibig sabihin, there are capitalist industrial. So therefore, in case of loss, no, pwede pa rin silang bawasan kasi nga meron silang contribution sa capital. Okay, so for case 1, since yung case 1 is profit, so kailangan mong hatiin yung profit based dun sa kanilang agreement. Okay, so Aban, Belen, and Canceran. Okay, then yung total. Okay, so yung mga stipulation nila, merong stipulation for salaries, merong bonus, meron ding interest, at meron din for the balance. Okay, so total niyan is 100,000. Okay, so 100,000 yung total profit. Okay, so for salaries, no, since profit yan, profit or loss, kailangan mong ibigay. Magkano yung kay Aban? 12,000 daw. At yung kay Canceran, 8,000. So, Aban, 12,000. Canceran, 8,000. A total of 20,000. Next, bonus, no? Since yung bonus mo is based on profit, kailangan mong gumawa ng mathematical formula. Okay? So, bonus is equal to 10% daw ng profit after salaries. Okay, pag sinabing after, pag nakita mo yung after, i-minus mo na agad, no? Kasi ibig sabihin, dapat natanggal na daw siya dun sa mismong profit bago mo kunin yung bonus itself. So, minus salaries, but before deduction of bonus. So, since before deduction of bonus, ignore mo yan. Hindi mo siya ima-minus. Okay? So, ilan yung 10% ng profit? 10% ng profit mo is 100,000. Okay? Minus yung salaries na 20,000. So, 10% ng 100 minus 20 is 80K. So, 10% ng 80K is 8,000. Okay? So, bonus is 8,000. Okay? So, bonus ni Aban is 8,000. Next is yung tinatawag daw na interest. Each partner shall receive 10% interest on average capital investment. So, ito yung capital investment nila, average capital investment. Since given na yung average capital investment, hindi mo na kailangan computein yung kanilang average capital investment, no? In case na hindi yan given, no, kailangan mong i-check yung movement ng kanilang capital. Okay? Since given naman na, i-times mo na lang yung 10% dyan. Okay? Times 10%. Okay, so Aban interest 10,000. Belen interest 6,000. And Canceran interest is 12,000. For a total of 28,000. Sa bonus 8,000. Okay, so yung balance 20,000 plus 8,000, 28 plus 28,000, 56 minus 100,000 is 44,000. So meron pang balance na 44,000 na paghahatian nila. So base yun sa 40, 30, 30. Okay? So 40% for Aban, 30% for Belen, 30% for Canceran. 40% times 44,000 is 17,600. 30% times 44,000 is 13,200. 30% times 44,000 is 13,200. Okay? So total mo ngayon, Aban 12,000 plus 8,000 plus 10,000, 30,000 plus 17,600 is 47,600. Belen, 6,000 plus 13,200 is 19,200. 8,000 plus 12,000 plus 13,200 is 33,200. So therefore, ang share ni Aban for case 1 is 47,600, Belen 19,200, and Canceran is 33,200. Okay? Next is for case 2. Okay? Case 2, partnership profit daw is 10,000 lang. Okay? So 10,000 lang yung profit. Okay? So latag mo uli yung mismong kay Aban, Belen, and Canceran. That's total. Okay? So una mo uling babayaran is yung salaries. Tapos bonus, interest, and yung balance. Okay? Magkano? Magkano daw yung profit? 10,000 na lang, no? Okay, so salaries, regardless kung profit man or loss, kailangan mo ibigay. So salaries, 12,000 kay Aban, 8,000 kay Canceran. So total, 20,000. Okay? Next, yung bonus. Since yung bonus mo is wala ng base ng profit, no? Kasi pansinin mo, binayaran mo yung 20,000 na salary. Ang profit lang is 10,000. So kulang na agad, no? So wala ka ng pambonus. Kasi 20,000 na yung nabayaran mo, 10,000 lang yung kinita. So negative 10,000 ka na agad. Since negative 10,000 na kagad yung profit mo, hindi mo na kailangan magbayad ng bonus. Okay? So si Aban, wala siyang bonus for this time. Kasi nga hindi na umabot para mabayaran pa siya. Okay? Next yung interest, no? Interest regardless of profit or loss ka, kailangan mong bayaran. Okay? So 10,000, 6,000 kay Belen, at 12,000 kay Canceran. Total 28,000. Okay? So 20,000 plus 28,000 is 48,000. Pero 10,000 lang yung kinita. So sumobra ka pa ng binayaran, amounting to 38,000. Okay? Yung 38,000 na yan is kailangan nilang paghatian. Okay? So 40%, 30%, 30%. Okay? Sobra na yung binayaran mo na 48, 10 lang yung kinita mo, kaya meron kang loss na 38,000. So i-times mo, 40% times 38,000. Kay Aban, 15,200. 30% times 38,000. Kay Belen, 11,400. Kay Canceran, 30% times 38,000 is 11,400. Okay, so lahat is reduction. Share nila in loss. Okay? So kay Aban, 12,000 plus 10,000 minus 15,200 is 6,800. Kay Belen, 6,000 minus 11,400 is 5,400. Kay Canceran, 8,000 plus 12,000 minus 11,400 is 8,600. For a total of 10,000. Okay? So kung mapapansin mo, yung kay Belen, magka-i-incur siya ng decrease in capital. Okay? Amounting to 5,400. Pero kay Aban and Canceran, mag-i-increase yung capital nila ng 6,800 tsaka 8,600. Okay? Next, for case 3. For case 3, the partnership earns profit of 30,000 and will be shared to the partners only as far as it's available. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, makakapagbayad ka lang ng mga stipulation hanggang sa maubos itong 30,000. Okay? So, ano yung order of priority mo dyan, no? So, ang order of priority mo dyan is based dun sa kanilang agreement. Okay? Since based dun sa agreement nila, ang unang mong babayaran is salaries. So, therefore, salaries unang mong bayaran. Next is yung bonus. Tapos, yung interest. Okay? So, pagpitin natin, no? So, number 3, ilatag mo uli. Aban, Belen, Canceran. Total. Okay, so order of priority mo is based sa agreement, salaries, no? Tapos bonus, interest, and balance. Okay, ang total daw nito is 30,000. Okay. So salaries, same pa din, no? Kay Aban is 12,000. Kay Canceran is 8,000. Total of 20,000. So since may balance pa, no, 20 minus 30, may 10,000 ka pang profit, pwede ka pang makapagbayad ng bonus. Okay? So computin mo ulit yung bonus mo. Bonus is equal to 10% multiply by 30,000 na profit minus 20,000 na salaries. So 10% of 10,000 is 1,000. Okay, so 1,000 yung bonus ni Aban for this time. Okay. So meron pang 9,000 na balance, no? May 9,000 pa na balance. 21 minus 30,000 is 9,000. Kaso, ang interest nila is 28,000, no? Dito sa base natin sa na-compute natin kanina. Ito 10,000. Ito 6,000. Ito 12,000. This is 28,000. Pero ang pambayad mo na lang sa interest is 9,000. Ang sabi daw will be shared to partners only as far as it's available. Okay, since hanggang available lang yung 30,000, hindi mo na kaya bayaran yung 28,000. Therefore, yung 9,000 na interest is kailangan nilang paghati-hatian. Okay? Yung 9,000 na interest, kailangan nilang paghati-hatian. Saan nakabase? Nakabase ba dito sa balances na 40-30-30 or dun sa interest itself? Nakabase dapat siya dito sa interest. Kasi yun yung huli mong babayaran. Okay? So, gawa ka ng fraction dito, no? So, for Aban, 10/28. Kay Belen, 6/28. At kay Canceran is 12/28 times 9,000 times 9,000 times 9,000. Okay? So, kay Aban, no? 10 divided by 28 times 9,000 is equal to 3,214. So, interest for Aban is 3,214. Okay? Kay Belen, 6 divided by 28 multiplied by 9,000 is 1,929. Okay? 1,929. For Canceran, 12 divided by 28 times 9,000 is a total of 3,857. 3,857. Okay, so wala nang balance, no, kasi 30,000 na yung total nito. So wala ka ng paghahatian. So total natin, no, for Aban, 12,000 plus 1,000 plus 3,214 is a total of 16,214. Kay Belen, 1,929. At kay Canceran, 8,000 plus 3,857 is 11,857. Okay, so for case 3, answer is Aban, 16,214. Belen, 1,929, and Canceran is 11,857. Okay? And lastly, for case 4, okay, for case 4, loss, no? Nag-incur daw ng loss ng 20,000. Okay, so ilatag natin uli. Okay, Aban, Belen, and Canceran. Total. Okay. So, salaries, bonus, interest, and balance. Okay. Ang total daw is net loss of 20,000. Okay, net loss daw ng 20,000. Okay, so allocation for Aban, salaries, sabi natin kahit pa loss or profit, kailangan mo ibigay. So, Aban, 12,000, Canceran, 8,000. Total of 20,000. Bonus, dahil net loss, dahil loss na, no? Hindi mo na siya ibibigay. So, 0 uli kay Aban bonus. Interest, regardless na profit or loss, kailangan mo ibigay, no? So, 10,000, 6,000, and 12,000. Okay? So, 10,000, 6,000, 12,000, a total of 28,000. Okay? So, 20,000 plus 28,000 minus 20,000, negative 20,000 is negative 68,000. So, negative 68,000 yung paghahatian nila based dun sa kanilang allocation na 40, 30, 30. Okay, so 40% times 68,000 is 27,200 loss. 30% times 68,000 is 20,400 loss. And 30% times 68,000, 20,400 loss. Okay? So, total, Aban, 12,000 plus 10,000 minus 27,200 is 5,200 loss. 6,000 minus 20,400 is 14,400 loss. And kay Canceran, 8,000 plus 12,000 minus 20,400 na loss is 400 loss. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, decrease yung mga capital nila by this amount. Okay? So, kung gusto mo ng clarification about formulas, kung paano na-solve yung partnership operation, i-comment mo lang down below. And hanggang dun na lang muna, no? Salamat sa pakikinig. Hanggang sa muli. Salamat.